Do you think I did better than last time?
Yeah, you are doing literally great. though
I think
though like
your face gave me confidence outside.
In this video, I have had a word with my American friend with whom I have discussed some critical questions. So make sure watch this video till the end. So if you are going to watch this video till the end, then you are going to know how to talk to native speaker, and as well as at the same time you are going to learn some new vocabularies. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Nothing. Um, I live in California.
Mm-hmm. All right. So first of all, just would you please introduce yourself in front of my audience because
Okay,
you
my name
are.
is Anjali. My name is Anjali. I'm from India, and I live in USA. I am living in USA for 16 years,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm doing college in USA.
All right. So why did you shift from India to USA? Is there any purpose behind it?
There's purpose because think I think there's purpose for coming to India to US because there's better education, better school.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Um, I came here in USA, I think 2008 when I was 10 years old. But
Mm-hmm. All
yeah,
right. Sounds good. So why are you laughing?
I don't know. It's
Okay,
weird.
so it's night in USA, right?
Yes, now it's Wednesday night.
Okay, so how was your day?
My day is good. Just I finished I finished homework and the week, and then tomorrow I'm going to college, and then next week I only have 4 days, no 3 days, and then on Thursday I have a party because I'm graduating from the class that I'm taking.
All right. So by the way, like what is your hobbies? May I know about it?
My hobbies is reading, um, talk to friends, and when I have my free time, I listen to music, and I like to walk and spend time with family and friends.
Spend time with family. Okay, great. So like as you have already mentioned that you like to read books. So which books you have read? I wanna know about it because I am also a kind of person who likes to read book. So may I know about it? Like which kind of a book you
Um,
have read?
it's been a very long time. It's been like I did not because I don't have time for reading. Um,
Mhm.
I like read small things and just
So
like
have you
random
read?
things.
Okay, so have you read Atomic Habit? Have you read Atomic Habit?
No,
Okay, so which book you have read? May I know about it? Little bit.
um, uh, it's been a
Why
long
are you
time.
shying?
I
Why are you
don't
shying? It is your first time to talk with any stranger on Skype and record? I know I can understand it,
know.
but there
It's
isn't any issue.
no, it's not a stranger. I know you. I'm not a stranger to you. So it's like, I never did it. This is the first time, so I have to get experience with it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Um, but I do reading sometimes. But for my more hobbies is that I like to color flowers.
Okay, cauliflowers.
No, like colors.
Colors. Okay.
Yeah, it means if you give me a picture uh, uh, like flowers, like coloring books, like and there's like numbers like 1, 10, like big flowers.
Okay, so I have one question for you. So may I ask?
Yeah, of course you can ask.
So the question is that how books helps us to gain knowledge. Like, what do you think about it?
Knowledge, I think I watched your video, so I have a little bit of knowledge on
Okay, thank you for watching my video. But apart from that, just I'm asking how books helps us to gain knowledge.
that. Okay, knowledge is like, for example, knowledge is like, for example, you're riding a bike, right? That's knowledge, right? Like something, like learning anything, like learning English, Spanish, or English is a knowledge, right? So that's his knowledge is.
Okay, I got your point. But the thing is that my question is that you know what would be beneficial, reading book or watching a particular video of that kind of a topic.
I think reading a better. If you read about knowledge, then you will know what's different between like knowledge. There's so many knowledge, you know. If you read a book, there's a knowledge. If you talk to other people, there's a knowledge.
Hmm.
If
You
you
know,
communication with other people, that's a knowledge. If
mhm.
you're doing
Okay,
math,
I
that's
got
a
your point.
knowledge, right?
Yeah, like if I talk about mine, like what would I choose between, watching a video on particular content or just reading that particular content through book? So I would recommend to, read book because in the book, whenever I am going to read it, then there is a detailed, summary or I can read it. There is a lot of thing which I can learn from over there. And even though the second thing is that, whenever I read book, so I feel that like someone is talking with me and someone is sharing their own life experience or the author, just
Like
experience throughout their life.
thoughts,
Yeah,
right?
thoughts.
Thoughts, yeah.
Because like if you are going to read the book, then definitely it is going to help you because
Yeah,
you know like for example, if a author maybe made mistake in their life and now he is sharing the mistake who had done in the past, and now you can read that
yeah,
mistake and you cannot replicate it, you cannot repeat it in order
yeah.
to save your time.
Yeah, I understand that. My like my favorite book is like read about fairy tales. That's my favorite books.
Okay, so what kind of a knowledge you have grabbed from over there which is still in your mind? Like, would you please give me a lesson from that book?
Uh, like what kind of experience? Like how was the
Like
experience?
any kind of line you still can remember and let me know. Like,
Um, I can tell my journey from India to move here. I can tell my experience. When I when I moved from India, it's very difficult because that time I was not speaking English, so communication was hard. So I have a lot of challenging to face and everything.
okay, then that book helped you to cope up with your situation with
Yeah,
your, okay, that's why you have read that book, and because it helped you to overcome from that particular situation, right?
yeah, yeah,
It helped
yeah.
you. So do you want to ask something to me?
Um, what is your hobbies and what is the purpose that we record for the audience?
Okay, so the first question is that what is my hobby? So my hobby is playing cricket because I like to play cricket because whenever I play cricket, I feel joy and I feel satisfied whenever I play cricket. And the
Okay.
second thing is that why am I recording this? Why am I recording, this conversation? Because you know what, I am also learning this language, and the knowledge which I have, the wisdom which I have, I always try my best to deliver it, throughout the audience so that they can also watch us, they can also learn from our videos, right?
Yes.
The words which we are using, the sentence which we are using in order to communicate with each other. so
Yes.
people can also know or also get knowledge like how to talk to someone else. They can get some grasp of idea.
Yes.
So that's the reason behind it. And the third thing is that why am I recording? Because I want to be consistent in this language. Because if you are learning any kind of a language, whether it
Yes.
is English, Spanish, Hindi, any language, you need to be consistent.
Yes.
So, like, whenever I record video, I feel that audience are waiting for my video, and at that time, I feel that someone is waiting for my
Yeah.
video. So
And
it's kind of, yeah, it's
and I
kind of a
know a
burden.
little Spanish too.
Oh, great. It's kind of a burden on me. Like I need to upload. The audience are waiting for me. So
Okay.
it pushed me
And
to be consistent. Yeah.
if audience has questions about me about more, if the audience wants to learn what if the audience wants to learn about me more, they can ask questions.
Of course, they can definitely ask questions. There is a comment section is, below. They can write their question, and in next video we are going to, give the answer of that particular question, whatever they have asked. So
Okay.
it's not a big deal.
Do you think that I did better than last time?
Yeah, you are doing literally great. though
I think
though like
your face gave me confidence outside.
because I'm your friend, and whenever you are doing something, and if your friend is with you in order to help you, then in order to support you, at that time you feel confident a little bit more as
Yes.
compared
I
to
saw
you
your
are tackling that
confidence
particular.
face outside.
Okay, it's my pleasure to be here so that I can make you feel comfortable and I can make you
Yes.
feel confident in front of the camera. It's my pleasure.
You like my hair?
Do I need to upload this clip? Do you think that it's better to be a big fish in a small pond or a small fish in big pond? Why? Let me put forward my point of view first. Then you
Okay.
can. Then after that you can put forward your point of view. So the question is that do you think that it's better to be a big fish in a small pond or a small fish in a big pond? So I would like to be a small fish in a big pond. Why? The reason behind it, you know what? I want to seek knowledge from others, and I want to, learn from others' mistake, and I want to get knowledge from others. For example, I'm not that much knowledgeable, I'm not that much intellectual, but if I will be in a environment where people are very successful, where people are very wise, intellectual, or they are better than me, then at that time I am a small fish but in a big pond. It
Okay,
means
I
at that time,
understand.
yeah, at that time what will happen, I would have an opportunity to learn something from others. And it depends upon the people, like values and personal growth, like how they
Yes.
are perceiving it depends upon them.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like goal means like short like goal means like short time goal, long time, something like that,
yeah.
right?
So what would be your point of view? Like, do you want to be a big fish in a small pond, or a small pond, or small fish in
Small
big?
face. Yeah.
Okay, as like me. So the next question is that if you had to live without one of your sense, which one would you choose to lose and
I
why?
was would lose hearing.
Why?
If I lose hearing, then if other people are talking, I cannot hear.
Okay, okay, okay. I got your point. So, my answer would be like if I would have to lose one sense out of five, then I would choose to lose smell. Why? Because as far as my little knowledge is concerned, our smelling, like losing smell would be less impactful on
Yes.
daily functioning as
Yes.
compared to sight.
Yeah.
Hearing, taste, or touch, in my point of view.
Okay.
It was a tricky question for you, but still you tried to give me the answer, and I appreciate you.
Any more questions?
No, if you have, then you can ask.
I have no questions.
So I guess we are done for today. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
nice conversation with you, and thank you for your time.
No problem. Anytime.
So bye for now. Mm.
Share,
Now it's time.
comment, and like.
Thank you.